Now we are going to discuss about the React. Okay, it is popular framework in JavaScript, and we are going to discuss about the third P is code snippet in React. At first, we have here for basic functional component, functional greeting, return yellow old h1. Okay, now class greeting extend react component render return h1 yellow old. Okay, now using props function greeting name return h1 yellow name also. Now state with use state function counter const counter set account react use state 0 return 0 div p count return co-inter. Now div also. Now conditional rendering function status is a login return is login. Okay, now welcome back. Please log in now. Event handling function button click const handle click alert button click return button on click. Okay, now list rendering function list const item return ul item map item index key index item. Now ul also. Now form handling function form const value set value react use state const handle change set value target value return input type text value on change index handle also. Now controlled component also function control unit const value set value return input type next type value con change also. Now on control component function on control unit const input ref also const handle submit alert input ref current value return. Now input type text ref introduction button on click handle submit button. Now fetching data with use effect function data fetch are also. Now const data set data react use data null. Now fetch http api example.com data. Now them race json then the json data set data return deep data json string data also. Now context api provider const theme content react dot create content function app return theme content provider value tag. Okay, child component theme context. Now provider. Okay, now context api consumer function child component const theme react use component theme context return p current theme pr also. Now custom move function use counter initial value 0 const count set count react use state initial value const increment 0 set count plus 1 return count increment also. Now using a custom hook function counter const count increment user counter return div p count button on click increment div also. Now another one memorization with react memo const memorized component return div proof div also. Now memorization with the use memo function expensive calculation norm const result react use memo norm also. Now return p result. Now callback memorization with use callback function parent component const handle check. Now react use callback alert. Okay, now return child component on click handle click. Now error boundary class error boundary extend react component state static return as error to render return this state as error. Now lazy loading component const lazy component react lazy input lazy component function app return react suspense lazy component react suspense also. Now forwarding refs const input react forward ref proof ref also input type text ref also proof. Now portal function model return react dom create portal children document get element model root. Now reducer with use reducer switch case return default return state function counter. Now const state return div. Now p state also button on click div also. Now higher order component higher order component wrapped component return function probe console.log render probe return wrapped function. Now render probe pattern function data provider render const data from provider. Now styled component const background color white function f function background stat redux connecting component import connect from react redux function. I map state to probe return count state export count connect amp stop probe my component. Now redux dispatching action function map dispatch to the probes also return increment dispatch type increment export default connect null map dispatch prop. Okay, now access for API call function fetch data const idea set data react use data null react use data effect access get http API email, then race set data also. Now return live data JSON string file loading also. Now type script with React interface prop name string now function return hello. Okay, name. Okay, now this much for today.